Smart Money Nation, what up? What's going on? I'm back at you today with another money making video. As always, if you are not subscribed, if you're not a part of the nation, please go ahead, hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you got your notifications on. I drop 3 videos a day, brand new videos, just letting you know how you can go out and get some more money, how you can build your credit, how you can get your business booming. That's what we do here. So if you're not a part of the nation, hit that red subscribe button. Let's get to it. Today we're going to talk about another way to make some money online. I don't see a lot of people talking about this particular method, but I'm going to touch on it. You already know that, right? Let's get to it. We're going to go to how to make some money as a notary public right online from the comfort of your own home. So with this is a 3-step process. Very easy, very simple. Might take a little bit of time if you are not a notary already, but it's a very simple process. The first step is to become a notary public in your state. Okay. To do that, you could simply go on to google.com and type in your state and how to become a notary public. So you can put in notary public application and whatever your state is. So Maryland. Okay, once you hit the Google on that, you're gonna see your state, your official state. You're gonna click on that and it's gonna give you the application and the process. For this particular one in Maryland, there is a $9 fee to file your notary application. As long as you got a pretty clean record, you shouldn't have a problem becoming a notary in your state. Once you fill out the application, you're going to click on apply for a new notary commission. You fill out the application, pay the fee, and they will go through the background check and everything else, and you will be commissioned. You'll go down to the courthouse, swear in, and you'll have your commission. For the most part, I think it's about 4 years. You'll have the commission. You'll be commissioned. That is the first step. Once you have your commission, that should take about 2 to 4 weeks maximum. Once you have that, the next step that you want to take is becoming an online notary public. Okay, so that is a remote online notary. It's called a RON. That's what you want to look for in your particular state. So you can also look for that. I know in Maryland, it's as simple. If you already are a notary public, it's as simple as emailing. I believe there's an email. Let me look it up. All you gotta do is take a Google search. Ron Notary Maryland. Okay. List of remote vendors. Okay, so to become a vendor in Maryland, just do a quick how to become an online notary in Maryland. So here's the National Notary Association giving you a breakdown of how to become that. So you fill out this form and send it to this email. It's as simple as that, and they'll receive it. This part literally takes I think mine's happened in 24 hours. They emailed me and let me know that I was commissioned to do remote online notaries. So it's as simple as that. So if you already are a notary, just do a quick Google search on how to become a remote online notary commission. So once you have that done, what you want to do is the next step. Okay, this is the final step to becoming a remote online notary public. The next step would be sign up with the notary platforms, the online notary platforms. Here's a few I'll throw in there. I'll do a more extensive video on these particular platforms. What are the top ones, how to sign up and things like that. One right here is Notarizecom is one of the bigger online notary platforms you can sign up for. It's kind of like a marketplace. You sign up and they will let you know when there are jobs available, and when there are jobs available, you can hop on, take the job, and you know, complete the online notary process whenever somebody needs it. Another one is Notarycamcom. Same situation. They're all pretty much similar. When there's jobs available, they'll notify you. You will accept or decline the job. If you accept it, you'll go ahead and do a notary process for somebody via the computer, right? So online camera. They'll let you know what type of, as long as you have a good computer with a with the ability of a webcam, you should be straight. You don't need too much else outside of that. We can get to the meat and potatoes, which is how much money can you make doing this. I've seen notary jobs, online notary jobs, could be as low as $10 and as much as $30, $35 per a notary that you do. For every notarization that you do, you can make $10 to $35. The notary jobs take, on average about 5 to 10 minutes. So that is a lot of money. It's not as much as you think. So there's not enough jobs for you to sit here and do it all day. But it's a decent amount that you can add as a side hustle, side income that you can, go ahead and make from time to time. So that is the side hustle, side income tip of the day. Become a notary public. And this is what you can do with that on the online portion. There's a lot more you can do offline, which I'll get into in other videos. I am a notary public in the state of Maryland, by the way, and I've been one since 2018. So I have some extensive background in this thing. So I just wanted to give y'all that tip of the day, give y'all that jewel, that one piece of advice. So if you like the video, please go ahead, hit that like button. If you find some value in it, please share it with the people that you value. And if you're not a part of the Smart Money Nation, go ahead, hit that red subscribe button right now and join the nation. I will see you guys in another video. Stay tuned and stay subscribed.